Hi, I'm Rolf, and you're watching Getting It Hot with Rolf. Today's menu, we're doing some chicken legs and some thighs on the smoker, and we're going to do some slow-cooked over onions and potatoes and some sauce on the flat top. I won't be covering the chicken legs too much on the smoker because I got a video which I think is going to end up right about here or over here. You can watch that and see how I do it. Well, let me get my camera on and we'll get... Okay, to start with, I cut up some onions in 3/8 to ½ inch slices, and I coarsely chopped about a half an onion. We got 4 to 5 tablespoons of olive oil, and what we're going to do now, take some foil and cover that up, because we're going to be cooking in sauce, and we don't want the sauce at the bottom of the pan because it will end up burning. That would be sacrilegious. Down there a little bit. There you go. Next up, we got some baby red potatoes. Let them spread out down here. We're going to need some sauce. Roasted garlic in her, or what else would I be using? Come on, get that last drop. Like I might have to make some sauce. No big deal. Now in here we got 5 chicken breasts and 3 thighs. We'll get this spread out to the sauce here. Alright, winter's going to be a factor here at the stadium today. That'll be fine. What could go wrong? That's good. And we got some carrots and onions for the top. Some for the ground too. We cover them up. And we got a little weight here. Well, that would be blowing away that top tray. I think we should get this piece of plastic off here. That'll do it. All right. See you in a while. All right, smoke is ready. First, I'll show you putting the chicken pieces on here. A couple of thighs, a bunch of legs. Got my standard chicken rub on there, and the ingredients will be down in the description for you if you want to make up your own chicken rub. Alright, and we're cooking. See you later. Chicken legs on the smoker. My chicken slop is almost ready. Potatoes got to come up about 10 degrees and this will be ready to serve. The onions did what they were supposed to do, sacrificed themselves to save this. Bon appetit. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.